When it comes to driving traffic to your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel, my preferred traffic method is SEO, or search engine optimization. And that's because SEO is free, organic, and who wouldn't love getting thousands of views on your videos every day while you sleep without paying for traffic and without posting on social media? So in this video, I'm going to share a few tips on SEO. Okay, so first thing is YouTube favors longer videos because they want people to stay on YouTube longer. It makes sense, right? YouTube also values the watch time, which is the amount of time people take to watch your videos, and they prefer this over keywords and other SEO techniques. If you have a higher watch time, the higher you'll show up in the search results. So try to focus on increasing your watch time during the first week that your video is published. YouTube also favors videos that are first watched by people when they first land on YouTube. So for example, you go on YouTube and the first video that you see there, or the first video that you click on, is my video on how to lose weight in 24 hours. Okay, and if enough people, or the majority of people, are clicking on my video first before anybody else's videos, this video is going to rank high on YouTube, because YouTube puts a lot of value in these videos that are getting people's attention and getting them to enter into their sites or into their system. Because basically, once people finish watching a video, as you may already know, there's going to be suggested videos that are going to be recommended to them. So they're going to end up watching more videos. So basically, they look at your video as an entry point to watching more videos, if that makes sense. There's also a misconception out there that YouTube ranks videos based on who has the highest amount of subscribers, and that's not true. Another thing is, you'll get more views simply by making more videos, and the greater the content, the better, because with great content comes more watch time, more likes, and all the things that will be seen as favorable by YouTube's algorithm. Now make sure to use the keywords in YouTube's search predictions when you're creating your titles, or even if you're thinking of what video to make, you could look at YouTube's search predictions or suggestions to get ideas of which videos to make based on popular topics. So let me just give you an example here. So I'm here on youtube.com, and you just go to the search box, and let's just say I'm going to type in how to lose weight. Okay, well, as soon as I type in how to lose, you'll see that YouTube is already predicting or making suggestions here, and these are all popular search terms. Okay, so you could use these as keywords or make videos on these topics. So let's just say I even get more specific: how to lose weight. Okay, how to lose weight in 4 easy steps, how to lose weight in a week, how to lose weight overnight, and so on. Lastly, I want to recommend a tool called TubeBuddy.com, and basically it's a Chrome extension that you install that helps create keywords for you, and it helps optimize your SEO, and also helps you grow your channel in general. This is a popular tool that's recommended by other YouTubers, and I've recently started using this myself. It also provides great statistics, and it does a whole bunch of other things. So I highly recommend you go to their site first at tubebuddy.com, and make sure you check out all the things that it can do for your YouTube channel.